The Repair Club Pro OBD2 scan tool offers a user-friendly experience with its wireless capabilities for both Android and iPhone, eliminating the need for cumbersome wires. This scanner provides comprehensive diagnostics, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes from all vehicle systems, including ABS, SRS, and TPMS, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. One standout feature is the free live tech chat, where users can get advice from professional mechanics, ensuring you are never left in the dark about vehicle issues. Unlike many competitors, this device does not require a subscription, meaning there are no additional costs after the initial purchase, which is a huge advantage for long-term use. The tool is compatible with all gas-powered vehicles manufactured from 1996 onwards, covering a wide range of makes and models for maximum utility. With free updates and support, the Repair Club Pro OBD2 is designed to be a lasting investment, providing peace of mind for both current and future vehicle repairs.